All right, everyone. We are here with RustLab Day 3. Hi, everyone. If you haven't seen me before, my name is Latara. I'm the talk manager. And we're going to be starting Day 3 with actually a little bit of a recruitment hiring session by Massimiliano. He is part of the hiring team of Develer, and he will tell us all how to get in touch with the hiring team and find out what it's like to work at Develer. So, Massimiliano, when you would like to start, you are more than welcome to. Let's see here.
Okay.
Hi. All right, I'll let you
Hi.
go. Good to see you. I'll let you go then.
Okay, thank you.
Sure.
Well, hello to everybody, and thank you for being here. I am Massimiliano. I work for Develer, and I am part of the hiring team, as Latara said before. I'm here to tell you something about the company because we are growing, we have a lot of work opportunities, and we are looking for new people to join us. So, first of all, I would like to spend a few words on who we are. Develer is a company of 60 people, more or less, and we are based in Italy, near Florence. We are focused on hardware design and software development. Basically, we help other companies to deliver hardware and software solutions tailored for their needs. We usually work with companies that operate in many industrial fields. For example, healthcare, professional appliances, railways, consumer devices, and a lot more. We take care of the technological issues of a project so our client can focus on their business. The things we do are design of electronic boards, BSP, firmware development, graphical user interfaces application for generally industrial machines, and web application for data acquisition, processing, and reporting. Okay, we work with medium to big companies generally in Italy and abroad. Since the company was founded, we have been involved with several open source communities and initiatives. Starting from the Linux community many years ago, we contribute today to the Python, Go, and Rust movement in Italy, principally. And we sponsor meetups, conferences, and we organize events to bring together people passionate about coding. As you might guess, we work with a lot of technologies because we have a very broad range of applications. We use Linux, C, and C++ and Qt when it comes to create firmware and graphical user interfaces, usually for embedded devices. We also use Python and Go languages for creating backend systems that are used in desktop, embedded, and web applications. We create, of course, web application with a modern web stack. Okay, so we use generally Angular or React on the front end part, and we have a spot on binary technologies. So we are experimenting with Rust, of course, and WebAssembly. It's good to know that these are the main technologies that we are using right now in Develer, but of course, nobody is required to know all of them. They are a lot. We work in teams, and every team is responsible of delivering an application in a project for one of our customers. So generally, the team members choose what languages and frameworks they will be using in a project. And of course, these take into consideration the skills of the people that are in the team. But generally, every team member is asked to contribute to a project using the technology he knows best. Okay. One of the most interesting consequences of working with different customer is that there are a lot of opportunities for trying new technologies or simply deepen the knowledge in some of them. Another thing that is worth mentioning is how we approach work. We try to put the people first because we believe that a happy developer is also a more effective developer. This means that we have flexible office hours. We work partially in office and remote. Well, of course, these times we are working remote for most of the time. And we have a really informal environment at work. We also invest a lot of money into personal growth. Okay, we have individuals dedicated budget for learning in terms of time and money. So it means that you have a time reserved for your learning activities during your weekday, and you have also a budget that you can spend on learning activities like conferences, courses, and so on. Every year we discuss with people about what their professional goals are going to be, and so we try to help them to reach these goals using a time and a dedicated budget. We used to have a vibrant office life full of events throughout the years, open to families and friends, but in these COVID times, this is going to be harder. We are trying to move some of the things online, but it's really difficult. In short, we are committed to build one of the best office environments around. Okay, so we have a lot of open positions. You can see all of them on our website, where you can find more details. We don't have the time to discuss all of them, but in short, I can tell you that we are looking for developers who are familiar with C, C++, Go, and Rust for development of embedded applications, okay, which is the software that goes on electronic devices, basically. We also build web applications that interact with industrial machines, so we are also looking for web developers. We are considering remote applications, of course, and for now we require a basic knowledge of the Italian language. That's because even though we have clients outside Italy and we require at least a C1 proficiency in English for our employees, so in Develer we speak all English on a professional level. Italian is still the main language used in day-by-day communication, in all the documents, all the chat with the other people and so on. So it's going to be pretty hard to listen to all the conversations if you don't know Italian. So I don't know if this is going to change in the future, but I can say that we are working to create a friendly environment even for non-Italian speakers. For now, a basic knowledge of the Italian language is still required. And okay, so we're approaching the end of this shorter recruiting session, and I will drop here some references to get in touch with us. If you're interested in one of our open positions, or you are just curious to know more of the projects we are working on, the hiring stages, everything you may be curious about, you can schedule an appointment with me or with one person of the team using the link in this slide, or you just can drop us an email. Okay, we're happy to answer all your questions. Don't worry if you miss the link or the code, because the organizer are going to send you an email with all the details to reach us. So you can also talk with us even after the conference ends, of course. So, okay, I think I have reached the end. So thank you for the time spent here with me. Enjoy today's sessions, engage in meaningful conversation, and stay safe, okay? Goodbye.